Are you tired of the clutter and chaos that's slowly taking over your workspace? Decluttering your desk doesn't have to be a massive undertaking today. I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to achieve a clean and functional workspace. Let's start by taking everything off your desk seriously. Everything. This includes your desk drawers too. Next, go through everything and sort it into 3 piles: keep, toss, and relocate. The keep pile is for things you use regularly. The toss pile is for trash or things that are broken. The relocate pile is for items that belong somewhere else, not on your desk. Once you've sorted everything, start putting items from the keep pile back onto your desk. Only put back what you truly need and use frequently. Organize your desk drawers. Use dividers and trays to keep things tidy and easy to find. Immediately get rid of the items in your toss pile. Put anything from your relocate pile in its proper place. And there you have it, a clean, organized workspace that will boost your productivity and reduce stress. Regularly declutter and maintain your clean workspace to keep it looking its best.